Every industry, every continent, every enterprise generating, moving, and depending on data at a scale the world has never seen before. Banks processing trillions in real time, factories running autonomous logistics, enterprises deploying AI across dozens of clouds simultaneously. But the network was never built for this. MPLS costs that don't scale, multi-cloud latency that kills performance, data sovereignty requirements that legacy infrastructure simply cannot meet. Graphiant is a network architecture, stateless, software-defined, hardware-agnostic, built from the ground up for AI workloads, multi-cloud environments, and the data sovereignty demands of every market on Earth. No lock-in, no compromise. Enterprises live in under 60 seconds. Total cost of ownership reduced by 2/3. General Technologies, a global IT infrastructure leader operating across 125 countries with 2,000 OEM validated partners, is the delivery force bringing Graphiant to enterprises worldwide. And inside the Graphiant fabric lives Gina AI, the network intelligence that enforces policy, observes every flow, and keeps your data encrypted and compliant across every region. Audit-ready in minutes, always. The world runs on data, now it runs on Graphiant. To bring Graphiant to your enterprise, talk to General Technologies, your trusted IT infrastructure partner.